Good morning, everyone. Welcome to EVS online class. So, in this class, we are going to do new lesson, that is lesson number 9, people who help us. See, take out your textbook, open the textbook, page number 201, 201. See, I am showing you 201, lesson number 9, people who help us. Okay, children? Yes. See, we need many things. We need many things in everyday life, isn't it? So the family members of the family members, so they will help each other. See, for example, your papa will help to do the homework. So isn't it, mommy will help to eat, to dress up, isn't it? So your brother and sister, they will help something to do, keeping the books, taking the pencil, bringing the pencil, something. So each family members, they will help each other, isn't it? Like that. Without taking any help, we can't live in the society. So it is not possible for us to do the work with ourselves without taking any help. So we need helpers to make our life easy and comfortable. So we need helpers every day. At every moment, we need helpers, isn't it? To make our life easy and comfortable. So apart from family members in our society, in our surrounding, so there are so many people. So many people are there. They will help. They will help us. So without taking any help, so we can't live with our own. See, for example, can you build a house without taking any help? Can you mend a shoes? Isn't it, children? Yes. Can you grow a crops in a field? I can't do all these things with myself. So, can you? No. You also. Not you only. So, nobody will can't do without taking any others help. So we need some helps. So these in our surroundings, there are so many people. They will help us to make our life easy and comfortable. So there are many people who work for us, So there are many people in our surrounding. We are seeing every day. See, for example, doctors, shopkeepers, grocery sellers, isn't it? Then hotel, medicine, medical shops, like this, all so many people, they will help in so many ways. So they will do so different jobs, okay? So and help us also. We will see in this class, we will see the people who help us. Which are the people for help us, isn't it? So for first one, we will see. Can you tell some names? We are taking every day. We are taking help with others. So can you make a can you tell me the some names? See, for example, doctors, teacher, sweeper, postman, policeman, cobbler, barber, like this, farmer, then tailor, electrician, engineer, carpenter, waterman, washerman, so plumber, so like this, mechanic. We have so many people. We are taking help of all these people to live, to make our life easy and comfort. So, can you mention? Yes, doctor, teacher, sweeper, postman, then farmer, cobbler, policeman. Okay. then barber. We will see first these people, how they will help us. So, and these also hard words. So, this is homework for you. You have to write 5 times. Okay, these are all hard words in this lesson. So you have to write in homework book each word 5 times. See how you will write means you will write once this is the all the spellings you will write one time and then go to the next again all the spelling. Don't write all like that. So take one word. What is this? Doctor. 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 Write in your homework book. Doctor. Okay. Make one line. Put one line and then come to the teacher. TEACHER. See like this. So write. This should be write 5 times. Saying loudly. Doctor, 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 doctor like this. Okay. So don't write all the words once. Okay. So take one word and write in a homework book 5 times along with telling loudly. So keep telling loudly the spellings. Then only you will know the spellings. DOCTOR. 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 Like that you have to say and write. Then only you will know the spellings. Okay, children. So write like this. This spellings. All these hard words. Whatever I given in on the board. So you will write 5 times in your homework book. See, first one, DOCTOR, doctor. Teacher, TEACHER, teacher. Then sweeper, SWEEPER, sweeper. Then postman, POST, post. MAN, man, postman. Then farmer, FARMER, farmer. Then cobbler, COBBLER, cobbler. Policeman, POLICEMAN, policeman. Then barber, BARBER, barber. So you learn all the spellings, then only it will be easy for you to write the answers, question answers, or some fill in the blanks. Okay, children, so learn it and write 5 times. Now come to the lesson, the people who help us. See, all these people, they help every day in our life. How they are helping, we will see in brief. So take first one. What is that? Doctor. When you will go to the doctor? Yes, tell me. Doctor. So, what doctor will do? So, he treat the sick people, isn't it? When we get sick, when we get ill, when we have fever, cold, cough, what we will do? So, we will go to the doctor to take a treatment, isn't it, children? So, like this, he help us. So, doctor will help us. What he will do? So, doctor treat us when we are sick. So, a doctor treat us when we are sick, and also he will give medicine. He also gives us medicine. He also gives us medicine. Isn't it, children? Sometimes he will give injection also. You will afraid, isn't it? No, I won't come to the doctor, so you will give injection. You are telling to your parents, isn't it, no, children? So doctor, what he will do? Doctor treat us when we are sick, when you are cold, cough, fever, and some ill will come. So that time he will treat us. So he also gives medicine for us, isn't it? Then come to the second one, teacher. So you know, teacher, what she will do? What she will do, teacher? Yes, teach us in our school. Yes, teacher, teach us in school, isn't it? You are learning now. Teacher, teach. Teach in school. Okay. So, what she teach? She teach new things every day. She teach new things, isn't it? She teach new things every day. Yes. So maths ma'am will come, she will teach about maths. EVS ma'am will come, she will teach about EVS. English ma'am will come, she will teach us English, isn't it? Hindi ma'am will come, she teaches Hindi, isn't it? So all the teachers, what they will do? They will teach new things, new things. Apart from not only teaching, she will tell moral stories and good values, and sometimes she teach you music, dancing, isn't it, children? So what she will do? So she will teach new things, those you don't know, isn't it? So every day she teaches and she will make you to, yes, what? She will make you to in the society as a good boy, good girl, isn't it? Good people. So teacher, what they will do? Teacher will do teach. They teach in the school. So they will teach new things every day. So which you don't know. Okay? Then come to the third one, sweeper. Every day you are seeing the sweeper, isn't it? Isn't it, children? In front of your house, they will come and sweep the road. They will clean the road. They will clean the surroundings. So, what is job? What is his job? So the sweeper sweeps the street and roads and keep our surrounding neat and clean. So the sweeper, what he will do? The sweeper sweep our surroundings. The sweepers sweep our surroundings and they keep our surroundings neat and clean. The sweeper sweeps the road and street, isn't it? The sweeper sweep our surroundings. Surroundings means that is road, street, isn't it? So surrounding means our surrounding means in front of our road, in front of our streets, they will come and keep sweep our surroundings, roads neat. In early morning, you can see early morning all the sweepers are keeping the road clean, keeping the street clean. They sweep. Okay. So what his job? The sweeper sweep our surroundings. So, they keep our road and street neat and clean. Understood, children? Yes. Then come to the postman. So, you will see postman how He will help for us. Yes. The postman, what is his job? He delivers the letters. Okay, he delivers the letters and parcel to our house. Okay. He delivers letters and parcels to our house. See, if your relatives or if your friends, they will far away from you, that time they will write letters or they will some parcels to you, that time. So the postman, where they will send? They will send to the post office, isn't it? From the post office, the postman bring all letters and parcel and they will give to us, so to our house. Isn't it, children? Yes, the postman, what is his job? He delivers the letters and parcels to our houses. Then come to the fifth one. Fifth one is farmer. Yes. What he will do? A farmer works in the field. He works in the field to grow crops, vegetables, fruits, isn't it? Yes. So he works in the field to grow crops, vegetable, fruits for us, and also he provides food for us. So he provides food for us. Okay, so he will grow crops. He grow crops. Crops means ಬೆಳೆಗಳು. ರಾಗಿ, ಭತ್ತ, ಗೋಧಿ, ಜೋಳ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು. So who will grow? The farmer. The farmer grow crops in the field. The which crops like vegetables, not only crops, so vegetables, fruits, then crops in the field, so like vegetables, fruits, crops, etc. So we will grow the crops, all these, and they will provide food for us. If the farmer not grow the crops, we are not get anything to eat, isn't it, children? So the farmer, he provides food for us. They will grow for us crops, okay, and vegetables, fruits, like this all every day we are eating. Every day mummy will prepare, no, vegetables, keeping on putting vegetable, different types of vegetables, curry, salad, sambar, dal. So he will prepare, no. So where she will go to the market and she will buy from the market and she will prepare. Okay. So from market, the farmer will provide. So to the market, the farmer will send these crops to the market, and from the market, we are taking and using all these things. So the farmer, what he will do? So he provides food for us. So he grow crops for us in the field, like crops, vegetables, fruits, all these things the farmer will grow in the field. So come to the sixth one, cobbler. Cobbler. Cobbler means, so he mends and repairs our shoe. Cobbler. He mends. So cobbler mends and repairs our shoes. So cobbler means chapli olioru, chapli, okay. So he mends and repairs our shoes. If, for example, if you in the school shoes, it so it damages. So that time what? Where you will go? We will go to the cobbler. Papa or mommy will take to the cobbler and he repairs your shoes and he will give, isn't it, children? So what the work cobbler do? The cobbler mends and repairs our shoes. So he will also help. Then come to the policeman. You are hearding, you are heard this word only, you will afraid, no? Policeman. So why you are afraid? If you have did something wrong, then only you have to afraid, isn't it? So the policeman, what the policeman will do? So he protects us. He catches thieves. Excuse me. So the policeman catches thieves and he helps us to find the lost things. So, and keeps us safe also. First, what was the work of the policeman? The policeman will catch the thieves, isn't it? So, if the thieves, they will stolen from anything. The policeman catches the thieves. The thieves, they will stolen so many things, the jewels or something valuable things. That time the policeman catch the thieves and will also protect us and he will also find the things which one we are lost, isn't it? So what the policeman will do? First he catches the thieves. He catches the thieves and he helps us to find the things. Find the lost things, which one we are lost. So we will go and give complaints in the police station, isn't it? Yes. If you lost something, if you lost your purse or mobile somewhere when you are in outside, that time what you will do? Directly will go to the police station and you will give complaint for the police, isn't it? So I lost these things, sir. So this time, this day and that time, you are giving everything. So that policeman, what he will do? So he will catch the thieves. And he helps us to lose the things. And he also keeps us safe. So also what he will do? He keeps us safe. So these are all. Then one more is there. Come to the last one, cobbler. We'll see some others also is there. We'll see in the next class. So the last one we'll see, that is barber. Barber. What he will do? The barber cuts our hairs. The barber cut our hairs. Isn't it? In the school, the PT sir will give fine. He will put fine. So if your hair will long, if you are not cutting the hairs properly, then he will give punishment to you, isn't it? In school. Yes. So then where he will go? He will go to the directly barber. So the barber, what he will do? He cut our hairs. He cut our hair neatly, clean and keep us clean, isn't it, children? So what the barber will do? The barber cut our hair. So today in this class we are learn the surrounding us. These are all the people surrounding us and they help They help in many ways. Okay, doctors, you will see doctor. So he treat the sick people and he will give the medicine also. Then teacher, the teacher will teach you new things. So every day she will tell new things. Then sweeper. So he keeps our surrounding neat and clean. He sweeps our road and street and he keeps us surroundings neat and clean. The postman delivers the letters and parcel to our house. So then farmer, he grow the crops. So he gives food for us, isn't it? He grow the crops like vegetables, fruits, all these things he will grow in the field and he will give food for us. Then cobbler, he mends and repairs our shoes. Then policeman, he catches the thieves and he helps us to the lost things. What we lost things? So he helps us to find lost things and he keeps us safe also. Then come to the barber. So what the work he will do? The barber cut our hair. So these are all the people. So in our surrounding, they will help in many ways. Okay, children, we will see in the next class some other people also there, like electrician, tailor, carpenter, watchman, washwoman, tumbler, then mechanic, mason. So all these are there. We will see in the next class. Together we learn. We can't keep in our mind. We can't remember. Okay. So it will get confused. First you learn these 8 peoples and we will see in the next class another 8 peoples. So, okay. Thank you, children.